Let's talk about photographers. Photographers take really beautiful pictures for a living. They use a camera to carefully capture images. A camera always has a special lens. The lens carefully focuses light onto the image. Photographers carefully choose the best angle for a perfect shot. Good lighting makes a photo look truly beautiful. Some photographers work outdoors in beautiful nature. Others work quietly inside a small studio. A sturdy tripod keeps the camera very steady. Photographers often shoot weddings and lively parties. They capture special, unforgettable life moments. Digital cameras can easily store thousands of photos. Portrait photographers take close, detailed pictures of people's faces. Nature photographers travel far to see wild animals. A good photo always tells an interesting story. Photographers usually edit their photos afterward. Editing software carefully adjusts the color and brightness. Photographers print their favorite photos for albums. Some photographers sell beautiful prints in galleries. Others post their photos online for many people. A steady hand takes clear, wonderfully sharp photos. Photographers need great patience to get the perfect shot. They practice constantly to always improve their skills. A great photograph can last forever in memory. Photography lets people remember special, happy moments. Every photograph tells a small piece of life.